How to use indicator on Binance. I'm on Binance and I'm on BTC USDT chart, you can see. And how to use it, you just have to press this down. You guys can see the MA E E EMA BOOL SAS volume MACD RSI KDJ OVS and more. And even if you want to bring it out more, you are just going to press this icon here, and once you press this icon you are going to see indicator. You guys see the indicator, press the indicator. So once you press the indicator, this place is going to give you access to the indicator settings. So this our MA is going to give us, maybe you only want one MA to show, you are going to click it just to allow one MA to show. And if you want everything to show, you just have to click on everything and put in the volume, the values of what you want to do. But no, I'm not doing that. I just want these two to show. Once I write confirm and MA, I just have to click on this MA on the screen, and you guys see these the two values that show. Let's see if I add another one more value to the MA, if it's going to show MA. And we have this 99 value confirm, and you guys see it brought out another purple line under here. So that is how to use indicator MA. Let's see if we want to use MACD and then RSI on this site. We just have to press MACD. Once you press MACD, you guys can see the market come up. But in order to input your value, just press this angle here, indicator settings, and come to MACD. Once you press MACD, you guys see period 9, long period, short period 12. So we can change it. We can change the color, anything. Let's see, holo, solid. I don't really have anything in mind for now, but let's try and change the color to blue purple, and let's change this one to yeah. So we should confirm maybe what we like, what I'm telling you is right. You see, we change the index, the period should be, let's see, 20. But you guys need to know your period, though this is just a tutorial video, so I can't suggest these indicator settings that I'm using. So confirm. You guys see it at the bottom of the screen. We have the MACD, which has this which color is this, please? Blue and is it pink or wine? So that is how to use Maggi. Also, you can also add RSI. You guys is going to bring it below it, and we can also change the settings of the RSI by repeating the same process, which is, you guys see above the 41 304.00. Click it and come to indicator settings, then RSI, then change the settings. If you change the color to green, let's change this one to light blue, I guess, and let's leave this one as purple. Then we press confirm. Then you guys see the color changes. And if you just want to remove one more value, you just have to press this and indicator, then RSI, and then remove two values, confirm. You guys see we only have one more value. That should be like oversold and overbought, depending on how you want to do it. And if you just want it to vanish from the screen, just click on the RSI, MACD, and MA. Everything are just, every indicator is going to vanish without any issue. So that is how to use indicator on Binance. On my next video, I'm going to take you through on how to like use indicator, how to use all the trend line. And it's because I just don't want to change the screen, the portrait mode to landscape. So that's going to be in my next video.